I just spotted Ali's new egg. It's only about a couple of hours after I put her in this nest. So, yeah. I'm glad, because hopefully now she's going to be a little bit more, like, not sulking in the corner, because I think she was struggling to pass an egg before. Or she was worried about it. But at least she'll be able to pass it. Kermit won't be as worried now. So I said I knew she was expecting again, eh? You happy, Kermit? Fortunately, I won't be able to let you keep it, but... Oh, yeah, sorry, so you've got a bed on top of a bed there. You got bunk beds going on, bunk bed situation. Let me move this. And how you go down on that bit. There you go. That's where the seed was hidden. Can't trust the teals. Yep, then I'll get into it. Although they haven't been out today. They're going to be out in about half hour. Actually, in about an hour. Anyway. I'm glad that you finally passed an egg, sweetie. Hopefully now you won't be forcing yourself into corners for at least another couple of months or so. Anyway, maybe we're having a good day.